welcome back to my channel Coding Power. So in this video we'll be doing Simple Scratch Project Lesson 1. If you haven't seen my previous video Simple Scratch Project for Beginners, check out the link in the description below. So without wasting any further time, like this video, subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Subscribe to my channel and keep the bell icon to all.
Hey Parrot, today you look so beautiful.
Thank you. By the way, today you look so tired.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh dear. Would you like an apple?
So nice of you. Thank you.
First step to do is to open Scratch Desktop. I have already opened Scratch. This video is a continuation of the previous video, that is Simple Scratch Project for Beginners. If you haven't seen the previous video, check out the link in the description below. Those who have seen the previous video, this is the continuation of it. Now I'll be explaining you how to bring the code from the previous videos to this project. So go to File, go to Load from your computer and go to the folder you have saved your project. So I have saved in desktop as Scratch Project. So I'll open it. So now the previous video's code is now in this project. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create a tree and an apple. So let's continue with it. First go to the backdrops and then go to the backdrops here also. Here there is already blue sky and blue sky 2. If you blue sky 2 is there, you don't need to change it or change the name of the costume. If you want, you can change it to blue sky 2, a 3 or any name. So I'm going to keep it as blue sky 2. Now go back to code and this choose a sprite. Go to choose a sprite and then select a tree in this. You can search tree, T-R-E-E, tree. So there are two trees. I'll select the tree 1 and you can drag and select the place where you want. So I'll keep it here in the center and increase the size to 170. So I've increased the size to 170. It can be 160. Okay, this size is correct. But you can see that the stem and the sand is not merging well. So to do that, I will go to costumes and then click on the stem. Here in the outline, I will select this slash. So that means there is no border for the tree. So I'll bring it a bit up like here in the center. And now let us write the code for the tree. Go to events. When the flag is clicked, I don't want the tree to appear. So I will hide it. And when the background switches to background blue sky 2, I want the tree to show. So I'll go to looks. If you scroll below, you can see show icon. So the code for the tree is done. If I go to the parrot again, when should the background switches to blue sky 2? So after all these after the parrot moves, go to looks again, switch background to blue sky 2 is there, drag it and place it below this repeat block. So after the repeat block is done, it will switch background to blue sky 2. So now we have to move the parrot towards the tree. So the parrot will be here after the blue sky 1 is over. Again the parrot should come here and move to the tree. So I need to duplicate this repeat option. So right click on the repeat block, duplicate it, bring it somewhere here, switch background to blue sky 2 is not needed. So drag it and place it there so that it will be deleted. drag and place it between the switch background to blue sky 2. Now instead of repeating 13 times, 6 times I will repeat it 6 times. So move 30 steps. All these codes is correct. So now I will full screen it and I'll press the flag option to start. So let's see how it goes. So the parrot is moving and it's still in the same position only. So we have made a mistake that we need to go to motions, select this go to option. X should be minus 208, Y should be minus 7. Place it after switching background to, it has to go to this position and then only repeat the action. So I will play it again. So the bird is moving in the background 1, background 2, and it is covered by the tree. So I don't want that to happen. So it will repeat 5 times only. And then if you go in the looks option and if you go below, you can see go forward by 1 layer. So bring that here and then go forward by 1 layer is correct. So go to full screen mode again and start the program. Okay, the bird has come to the correct position. Now we have to create apples for the tree. So I'm going to costumes. I'll go to choose a costume and I will select a apple below. Okay, I will drag and select the whole apple and group it and click on the apple, copy the apple and paste it in the tree 1. So I will decrease the size of this apple because it is too big and I will keep it here. I will decrease it more. Okay, I will copy this and again paste it. I will get one more apple and paste it again. I'll get one more apple. I'll drag and keep it here, somewhere here. Okay, I got 3 apples and there will be 2 more apples here and here. I'll do that in the costumes area. Okay, so I'll go back to code and write code for this tree that it is holding all these 3 apples. So when flag is clicked, the tree will be hidden, and when background switches to background 2, that is blue sky 2, it will show. So I'll full screen it and start the video. Let's see how it is. So bird is flying and it comes to the correct position with all these 3 fruits with a tree. Okay, thanks for watching.